G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, I had to go up the street just a few minutes ago. I thought I'd show you what I picked up off the side of the road. The house down my street that often throws out stuff, and some of it's pretty good. These are really heavy duty ramps. Amazing. I mean, some of the stuff people throw out is just incredible. I mean, they're really much more strongly made than a lot of the commercial ones you buy. They're pretty heavy. Yeah, really good. So they'll be perfect for the old Subaru. So there you go, you never know what you're going to pick up off the side of the road, and that's where it's handy having a station wagon or the tray top ute. It's even better, a lot better. But you know, the old Subi's earning its keep, and I picked up a set of bookshelves the other day as well, which are really nice, and I was looking for more space to put my model engines on, and yeah, here's the shelves I got the other day, and they're virtually brand new. And the guy that was throwing them out even helped me load them in the back of the Subi, so that was good of him. But yeah, really good shelves. I mean, fantastic. And then the other day I picked up a huge big treadmill. There's some fantastic parts in treadmills. You know, the motor and Allen-headed bolts and a lot of steel. And it's probably, you know, $5 or $10 worth of steel, but it was raining and I would have had to go home and get the trailer. It wasn't far from my house, but I didn't feel like mucking around in the rain, so I thought, stuff it, I don't really need another treadmill motor. I've got a spare one down the shed as it is, you know, a big one, and circuit boards and stuff, so I thought I'd let somebody else have it. But yeah, you know, you never know what you're going to see. All this stuff's handy, you know, and it's all free, so yep, never pass a bargain by a freebie. Alright, that's it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.